Okay, everybody, here we come to the elevator here at the Oshawa Center in Oshawa, Ontario. It's the Schindler 400A. Hang on. Oh, it's coming up. Call it. Here it is. It's coming in. Going down. Lower level. Yep, there's your first time. 4,500 pounds. Here we go. Watch. Here are the cables. I see the counterweight pass by. There it goes. Lower level. This side's going to open. This is the parking level. Let's go to lower one, L1. Do cab view. See if there's another elevator nearby. I don't think so. 400A. There's the counterweight. And that's it. I guess I'll go up again. Looks like I think the micro restricted of the old OTIS. Here goes the counterweight. 400A by Schindler. And that's it.